Hello to good evening to everybody worldwide. Anybody that is watching this video, wherever is watching it from in the world, I greet everybody. Good evening to everybody. Yes, I came here to make this video regarding what I saw. I've been seeing on social media, which this man, this issue that is happening between Tony Kabaka and Aaron Omigo. Aaron Omigo, I have to speak my Benin language. Aaron Omigo, no ya post also ni Tony Kabaka, we Tony Kabaka killer, Tony Kabaka ida, ni Tony Mawude, ona mwe eni noge, ona amune, no maeta ero, and oka about dame, when ya comment ye, Aaron Omigo ya post. Yama Tony. Yamagele and Tony Sowa, they have never been with Tony before, and they have never go close to Tony before. They never know it's Tony Kabaka. That is why they are commenting all those rubbish they are commenting. Onaka about Dameka about Ruda, and you know, no down, all done once a ready. Washa when you wash out walking, you know what that means. All done, you are spoiling that some person image. And now who posted a social media that dog talking which is a mind Tony any in Norge do the Amigo ya post here a social media. No about damage ni war of recent. Tony now in the Weibo and last year don't enjoy I was your tune of it Benevi me said. So that they be together, they marry together. And Amigo na ya order ya arrest or get where is that not very funny thing? Wait only a militant. One only there is a vampire. Or young is again, on my way down, on my way down. Or down a cabo, or 10 watching about we and make is a webo overseas. I'm only for add the Beaku, Ageyo. But that is to say, he is the wicked man, he is an evil man. But Osabwa, unknown. Ediendo, unknown. Obawari, Ogidiga, unknown. So, any are not Tony, any rock, or Tony. Tony is a freedom fighter, a man of justice. Foreign no matter. Tony. Mata yemudiayi yemudiayi right from time any young me are a places in and tell me Tony Emmanuel wa talk bad of him where una no know the man umana la to peran when ni rani revise when ni rani ye we are kula to we are total zero and we ran area furia be umana la to wa agbera my we no here. So that is it. When he had been in rubbish comments here, I mean, Ranomigo post against Tony, Yana supported Ranomigo. I'm sorry for them. And they take ignorance, you know. And then I ignore, okay, can you have make a research about somebody in Yaki do the that is for that. Hey, Tony, I want to tell you people one thing today about Tony. Magban Wakotori. Magban Wakotori, Omawa Osime. We grow up together in Ogbe, that's all. Or any manner one day, or anything which is injustice, even na one oppress someone in Mudiayo, Ekwe, or where you are where you are there, why a fight for the justice. Igbina ni Tony ga agbina maga one day Ogbe. Igbine justice. Ora agbina, ma mo bogbin igbino boy. Do I man like oppression and our oppression are unnecessarily. Tony man like a right from time. We are okay, all matter. Maga one day Ogbe. Agbanyaga la Obama market collective. I'm talking about between 1985 to 1995. Yeah. Agbanyaga collective Obama market Ogbe under the name of Bobizwa, which is she done Musamedi Adu. Ekwomose oga collect ne. Ave Fedeco ave Ayiri. Ave Shanana, Yara Alele collect. but the como sora front quarter ora collect go ya but say bright or gentle say vie kabaka ya to the best of my knowledge that time Julius a bright in ye like it ben so you collect go abi be carry kapepere abi be ketoni abi kapepere ya collect go but you never see Tony one day where all our Woba market as per that time oh ya collect go and go ni ya collect again ni ya collect again e pin yan ya re e wetin ya bi oge Bobizo àwọn no ga deliver to Bobizo na e ko mo se ètò ni máa wẹ̀ yóò gbé yẹn yóò yá dùn yẹn kí nìyẹn láìkí ọ̀yà mọ̀ àyẹ̀ kwa ọ̀yà kọ́lẹ́tì ìgò ọ̀ma wẹ̀ ẹ̀dẹ́ wọ́n ní yá zètò ni ẹ̀yà choose ẹ̀wẹ̀ this man na one kind man is a kind man is a man of justice he no want oppression at all if na yẹn diẹ yẹn yà nà yẹn rẹ ti sẹ̀ yẹn yà nà ọ̀bẹ̀rẹ̀ náà ẹ̀kọ́ ọ̀gá awọ́ gẹ́kẹ́ finish school náà ẹ̀kọ́ la mà ọ̀bẹ̀rẹ̀ pé n'ọba. Every finish secondary school, I call a judo. The stadium, on a training, on a sport, on a way judo. We are like do training, a stadium. We qualify me. Okay, I work. I came here where Shomole government do empower. Shomole Lakbo. I came here where I'm with revenue. Okay, do I collect? If not, before that time, never collect any illegal fee. Quote me wàhálà do wàhálà Ọba market wàhálà kí Ọba between 1983 to 1983 to 1996 dumi Tony de Ọba market ọmọ náà mẹ́tí làdá Tony do collect ìwọ ọdún gbìyànjú yẹ kọ́ omi ó yẹrẹ ká wọ gẹ́gẹ́ ẹ máa yẹrẹ pé ọpẹ náà bá ṣe àtàkọ́sọ́mà ẹ máa yà wọ́n náà wẹ̀ láì stadium náà yàwó jídó. For so many years, okay, do ladia. Okay, do me well, show me like doing power, came here well, or those one here, call it, or those one call it levies. Evo, very good, so before that time, we had my way, New Jardin, and up till now, or Mark Bowman there, Tony Mark Bowman there, one of the sorry, very sorry, a pity is party, Tony, name, when you man, Tony help. When we man Tony street re, when we man travel at true Tony, when we man Tony pay school fees oge, we do not buy. Tony is Arioli crossing the Mission Road. I can have beggar mudia. Oh yeah, guy go near ya. From time to time, all like prison yards. Guy go near where ya, we go near ya need to survive there. Even fight some people case to come out. I mean, money I want more ban or whatever for not even a randomigo TV more by a Tony Sabana Binana Nena. Today, so Igbon Radio, is he not a man of justice? We are a man oppressor man there. Or work again. A one mudia right from time. Only a justice is a freedom fighter. Is a man of justice. So I'm very, very surprised. Never know nowhere at the name where they are no amigo. Amigo rock by Oswald. Ogun wo yan gbe. We no win area to niwa. Ogun gbegbe Ọba ne do ano Osano do ano Edin do ano Except if we not tell the Tony now where which I know 100% sure. I can swear with my life. Tony Magbon are there. Oma oppressor are there. One story in Metana right from time a justice and mudi ayi. Now we are not by when we boy I enjoy egbe. Then Ranomigo now or die arrest okay. Is that not the foolishness? Now we're militant no. Imega give you we militant nene no. Ona oda arrest over but Osana you do binani ne. Zewe omama wuko wuko baba Tony Kabaka atokpo na wo ewo mama wuko mama wuko wuko onyu saba ya binani ne. Today the Italian police not take matter ni just when you want take na see ya we investigation ya we Ranomigo we investigation ni ya investigate egbe Tony Magbon there Omawe Mioja there a justice freedom fighter in ya emudi ayi. Today you are wari aniwa osawa kan ri awo niwa we Ranomigo ropa ohun ja kun ogun bogun wo kan gbe ni irano migo wa ari ago ma wa eni ne to ni using many years ya make eni ogeni oya many years oya create ni ke are reposition ni eje na we ma get any wa this man they fight on just cause. They fight waiting not good. He's very free-hearted man, and if he have the position to help people, he will help people. Any year sabaya the Evani. When my history metastasis 83, 84, 85 AD. So he's a man of justice. No amwe niria. Amwe Tony niria. Think of it. De wati ede ranamigo when name Clement Abe ranamigo. Think of it. Think of what you are saying. You are trying to tarnish somebody's image. We're not digging or anisa. Wan be ru yeke we no ge wo nisa. We nu we una na owo asu nu we meti ladian we arrested na mamie 1 2 3 in na CIA. Then we this man is a man of justice. Yeah, we me ya nu levy against oge egian. Yeah, eno. Yeah, where do they again? Yeah, they don't need much investigation about that. No, yeah, they investigate for 8 months. Uzuo. Ebo gbu egine kenuye. Da ni no go mani nu ya mu no mani e ma. Odame ka abo. I mean one ofi pegbe governor. Who fi peg past governor, who fi peg commissioner of police, who fi peg Bobizwa, who fi peg governor easy me. Everyone where if you peg they get it to fi peg oba ima. E worry if aru we. If aru we. When you say ni kata eba, iwe omama uko ewuko. Me no amunya to ni se. We just be awore o magba anu we are there Europe now we do all your marriage by no mammy we failure him. So on your say now we need ladia. We need guan now. Tony Magbon there is a freedom fighter, is a man of justice. He's not my friend. Ask him. He only know me by face. My wife pale video. Or we are women. Just because my one I must be there, and I'm friend to the whole family. Zevin my but it's not my close friend. No, but me never do a comment about him where Iranovigo, nene so-called Iranovigo, me go post in Facebook. Me never do a comment or damn car about me not like that to make a video now. Never ya guanye, ni amahe ni ya guanyo. And you can make any comment video. You have to investigate. Where I want to make a rubbish video, then where do I guanyo? Etuni. Even Tony help you agbona. Me we don't want where I am where. Who knows you? Don't want where help within the Europe. Even we boyjin ya hu or eri ya hu. We do di ya re we ben mete Tony all dem mil money ya we Iberia. All musician money ya. Anybody need sunu da or ya let's say Kene Tony J. Tony here mudiani ya fo. Waiting your papa there. Now wow, take this one, take clean tears. I go carry musician for you. I go buy cow for you. You want to do marriage? Take me, take assist yourself. Take this 2 cow, take this 1 cow, take this. It all will not go here. So why won't God will continue to bless him? Where you cannot draw that man down. Who was who am where needy? Who were wasted time or where? This one they might waste them my time. If you talk about me, I go shine. Because not be only me one way you go judge. Because Tony Kabaka na different guy. Ayo. Bombo Clark man trying to tarnish somebody else's image. A bushman, a bombo Clark. Ogbe Iranomiwo. A jumper ogbe. Today. So eya mo man area. Tony we worry. Osamudi anuepo. Baba Tony. On our way, I will come out for the second time again. When you work our turn, I will drop another video soon. Talk by c'est